Hey guys, Jatin Nimla this side from Kinshu Institute Indore. I welcome one and all, and I hope my attire tells everything that I am going to bring the CA Foundation Mathematics revision for your attempt, that is December 22 and onwards in the English language. Yes, from a long time I was working on it, but there were some issues. I was not more frequent towards the English. I was very, confused. I was thinking that we should launch it or not, but finally I had decided that I am going to launch my all the topics, all the chapters revision in the English language. Now, one more thing, very obviously, for your identification, what we are going to do is we are going to change the thumbnail. That means whenever I will upload any lectures in English, then at that moment you can see that thumbnail will be in this dress only, in this attire only, so that you can identify it and it will be very clear to you to understand that which lectures are for Hindi and which lectures are for English. I hope you are going to love these things. We need your support for that. Please do subscribe the channel, please do like this video and share as much as you can, and this are going to be completely free, absolutely, obviously, without any single doubt. One more last thing about it is that we are also going to bring marathon and so many things for you guys which are not even expected and which are not going to announce it today. You would be seeing our lectures in English with the revision for you guys. See you all, and probably right now we are going to upload some recorded lectures. We are going to record it, but if everything goes well, I am going to take live revision in English only, and I want to take it. It won't take much time, but definitely what I want is your support, little your efforts, so that we can work for you more harder. Starting from this Monday, that means 29th of August. See you in the lectures. Bye bye. See you. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.